Hey, you've done it! You've created the Sunstone Welders training course. With this course completed, you are now armed with the knowledge you need to be an expert welder in all things permanent jewelry, but also in all things pulse arc welding using the Sunstone pulse arc welders. Nice work! Now remember, keep practicing and refining your welding ability. The more you practice, the better you're going to get. And remember, keep practicing and refining your sales approach as well. This will be key as you keep working with your clients. Now, while it is up to you to get out there, push yourself, make yourself visible, and get clients to start earning money, don't worry, you're not in this alone. Sunstone has many resources available to you to help you in your journey. From an awesome application support team to help you as you're learning how to weld, help you find weld settings, anything you need, to an awesome technical support team if, heaven forbid, something goes wrong and the welder needs to be repaired. We are here to support you in any form that we possibly can. We also have a webpage filled with tools, accessories, and chains and jump rings. So for all of the parts and all of the things you need, we support you in that as well. Now remember, check out social media. There are groups of like-minded individuals on social media who are helping, teaching, and supporting each other in their journeys as well of welding permanent jewelry. Be sure to check them out, join their groups, you won't regret it. Thank you again for choosing Sunstone Welders in your journey as being a PJ artist. You are now one of the elite professionals out there using the top of the line equipment in your permanent jewelry business. This is Bryce signing out. Remember, please stay in touch. We want to hear your success stories. You can email them to us at pjsuccessstories@sunstonewelders.com.